I am making shaving cream. I got this recipe from Steel City Wasteland. The girl's name is Danny Fitzbrown. She's great. Definitely check her out. I'll have her blog in a link underneath the video. But this is where I got that recipe, and I've been using it for 8 months now, I believe. It works super well. My boyfriend likes it, so it works for men too, and coarse hair.
Yeah, it's nice. I get a smooth shave.
Yeah. So let's make it.
What you will need to make your own shaving cream is 8 ounces of water, 1.5 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 tablespoons of cast iron soap. I like a funnel, something to measure your ingredients with. And something that helps a lot is having a foaming pump. So this is key in getting it to be that shaving cream fluffy consistency. So definitely a foaming pump of some kind is very vital to this recipe. I just have this old container that I had laying around, but you can definitely buy nice glass foaming pump ones. We're gonna start out with pouring water in our container here. The funnel makes it a lot easier for messes. Next, we're going to add our avocado oil, 1.5 tablespoons. Avocado oil is super moisturizing. Oh, I should have kept the funnel. Oh. Wait, do I want it? Yes. Oh, God. Another half. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of cast iron soap. I have Dr. Bronners Hemp and Tea Tree. I really like the smell of this one. And if you look on the bottle, it does say that you can use it as a shave cream. So 1, 2, 3. And put your top on. Gently swirl it like this. If you put the soap in first, when you go to pour in the water, it'll bubble everything up. So I recommend not doing that. Oh!
Your sticker came off.
That come off so many times in the shower.
I don't think they're designed to get wet.
So this is the consistency of it. It's pretty thorough. The soap bonds with the oil and it bonds with the water, so that is why it is so consistent. Soap has those polar properties and water is one and oil is the other, so it's like the middleman. I wish this would stick. Anyway, let's see the consistency of it. Give it a few pumps to get it going. Yeah, this is very shaving cream-esque. That is how you make your own shaving cream. If you are interested in seeing it in action, then I'm going to shave my hairy leg, well, a part of it. But if you don't want to see that, then have a nice day. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Alright, welcome back. So I'm going to just wet my leg, because you know this is a weird spot to shave. And then if you look, it kind of separated a little, but that's super normal. Just give it like that and then it's good. Oh, I should also wet this. Oh, hang on. Oh no. Ow! Okay, I'm back. So I recommend not a disposable razor. I really want a razor. I'll show a picture of it, but it's basically by Leaf. It's kind of like a safety razor, but it's not as, it's like a safety razor, but this, and it's so convenient. I don't know how else to say that. But yeah, see, look.
Look at that, it's clear.
It's all good. Yeah, it's super smooth.
There's no cuts or anything.
Yep. I can't keep shaving with the same, yeah, because my razor needs to be rinsed out. So yeah, it totally works. I use it, my boyfriend uses it, it's great.
I like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go rinse my leg now.
Okay, bye.
Bye, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
Okay, bye.